Okay, so it's been a minute since I've worked in the Miata, so we're gonna go ahead. I really want to get this roll bar in the car. It has a couple scuffed areas and it's painted gray, which I'm not a big fan of. So we're going to go matte black. It'll be clean and simple, and get that sprayed and probably install it in a couple days here. That way we keep making progress on that little thing. It's gonna look sick. Okay, so we've got our bar prepped. Next step is going to be waterless car wash. I'm going to wipe it down, get most of the sanding dust off. Then afterwards, hit it with wax and grease remover to make sure any kind of oil and grease and grime that was on the bar that I sanded over doesn't mess up the paint job, because I don't want to have to redo everything I just did. It's 100 and something degrees. I really don't want to redo it. And it's just, it's too much. So after that, then we can go ahead and spray. So we've got the bar wiped down. Now we're ready for the wax and grease remover right here, okay? All you're gonna do, put a little wet on a towel, just wipe the bar down, okay? Okay. All right, this is our last section right here. After this, we are ready to paint. All right, paint, check. Safety, check. Time to shake and bake. Okay, I'm taking the glasses off. Can't see nothing. All right, rock and roll. The key here is light coats. I don't want a single run. Okay, so feel pretty good. I got a little bit of fisheye over here in this bracket area, but maybe I can sand it, touch it up. I don't know. I think it looks okay. I think there's a little bit more underneath this middle bar. It's a little drying underneath this bar. There's a couple areas I need to touch up, but I'm gonna give this about maybe 15-30 minutes. Maybe just 15, since it's ripping hot out here. A little bit of dry time, and we'll come back and we'll do a second coat. Okay, so we got the bar all painted up. It's looking pretty good. I already did the second coat, touched it up, made sure everything looked good. Hopefully we didn't miss any spots. Should take 24 hours to fully cure. I want to make sure, you know, whatever solvents or whatever, you know, science or whatever, you know, make sure that everything, you know, dries out. Make sure, because I don't know if I went a little heavy with it. The paint looks a little sticky, but I wanted it to look like, you know, a true powder coat, but unless you do an actual powder coat, it's not gonna look all powdery, you know? But yeah, it looks good. Let's take a peek at what we ended up with.
Beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut.
I want to call this a win. Came out pretty good. I'm happy with the results. Prep work went well. Feeling pretty good. If this was beneficial to you and you got something of value out of this, do me a big favor. Share the video with someone that you know, someone who else has a Miata, someone who has little to no experience working on cars. You let them know if they want to learn, this is the place. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can follow up and make sure you don't miss the installation of us putting this in the Miata, because that defeats the purpose. Why you want to see us paint this thing and you're not going to see us put it in the car, okay? It's part 2 of this. So subscribe, like. And if you haven't seen the other videos, you know what to do. Click it.